Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the crypto daily inspection, or crypto market inspection, whatever you want to call it. Um, Today's the 13th of January, 2025. It's currently Monday, and a lot has happened. Okay, volatility has happened, and we are actually really happy that it's finally hit. So, I just quickly want to go over. I want to go over a trade that I got filled on. It's this here, right here. So let's just start. Let's start here. So I'm not going to draw a new range here. I'm just going to keep the one I have. This is the range high. We'll see here. I'm going to use the big colors today, big lines. All right. You got your range high. You got your range low. If you go on the heat maps, you see the liquidity was resting below here. We have now swept it on a beautiful liquidity grab. Straight into this daily order block, we actually tapped exactly as you see here on the wick on the top of the, if you go on the weekly, this low right here, we tapped it and we have now started to reverse. So price tapped into the the range low, which we are looking to trade, and we got filled here. I placed a small I, pl- I placed an all right limit order here. I'm currently up like 1 hour according to my risk in this. Won't go deeper than that, but yeah, up up like good, probably 130, 40 plus dollars on this for now. Looking to target these equals highs. Up here you got equal highs. Let's do this red color. I'm targeting in these highs here. Sweep into the H4 supply. I think this is going to be huge resistance as this is the range high. You got the H4 supply resting here. This was the deviation. So yeah, for now this is my target. I'm targeting the equal highs. Current target is looking like a 2.5R, if not 2.83R. Yeah, close to a 3R trade. I did go quite wide here on my stops. Reason is you never know on these dumps. It can literally dump so much farther than you think. An example on that is Ethereum. But yeah, we did sweep liquidity. We are at range low. Now we're looking to trade the range. We're trading the extremities, and we'll see what happens from there. Looking for price to fill some of these inefficiency, and then maybe it goes something like this. It dumps more. Maybe it takes us out break even. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe we have the balls to hold all the way to our TP. We'll see. But yeah, certainly it's going okay for now. Price is at 92K. We got filled at 19,151. Just want to see here. You have the stochastic RSI on the 4 hour at the lows. So being long here for now, while these are maybe reversing to the highs, is not a bad idea. Very stupid seeing people aggressively shorting into support. These have gotten absorbed, as you see. So I think it's very much possible that we do trade higher. Well, sorry. Let me put this one down a bit. Let's see how the stocks are. So I look at the looks on the daily. Sorry, got the stock daily stock at the lows, consolidating here. So we are looking to long this with the momentum of them maybe flipping. Weekly looks like it's on its way to the lows. Still, it is possible we do reverse from here if we see price go higher. As if you inverse this, if you can, I don't know if you can, to be honest. Maybe we can inverse it like this. No, we can't. That's weird. You can't inverse charts like that. Okay, whatever. Uh, but yeah, we could see something like this. Imagine that this chart is inverted. Maybe we do something like this before going higher. But in my opinion, I would like these lows to be tested, and that would mean maybe we see more downside. Maybe feel more of this inefficiency below here. That's why I'm careful on leverage here. I actually have already boomed my stops break even here, but I'm thinking about maybe not. I'm thinking about as of for now, I want to not see any H for closes below this. That would mean I would cut my position because that would mean we would have a H for closure. If not, a manual stock with a daily closure below here, then I'll only cut it for a 0 point like 2-3 hour instead of a 1 hour loss. So yeah, that's pretty much it right now. I want to see how much we are up right now. I'm checking. Yeah, so we are up $130 on this so far right now. I'm not in any position on Ethereum yet, but I might get into something here right now really soon. The reason for that is, yeah, so I talked about in the previous video. Um, there was obvious liquidity here, range low, range high, mid-level, deviation, sweep this liquidity and this liquidity, which I beautiful. This is so beautiful. Now we want to see price hold range low, and we'll see if we can get a entry trigger somewhere in here, and we put our stops below this low or maybe below half of the wick. But yeah, I would go for this low. I did not get filled on my limit order, as my limit order was on this actually a H4 order block. Let me actually make this a little clearer. So basically, I did not get filled. As you see, we front ran this H4 order block. I have my limit exactly on the top of this H4 order block. But yeah, looking like a possible deviation now. You want to see price make some sort of lower time frame market structure break to get your entry, put your stops below, target the mid, target the H4 supply, and target the range high, and perhaps this is the high time frame range high. You see it says range high up here. This is the higher time frame one. This will be the full TP, 4,878, if not 5K. But this area is going to be resistance, in my opinion. 5K is an extremely psychological uh, number, you could say, or level, or whatever you want to call it, target. So yeah, looking good for now. In summary, trade the extremities of the range. Trade them. If it looks like a range and it trades like a range, then it is a range, and you need to trade the range low, trade the range high, and ignore this chop. Yeah, catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.